Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Toyota Camry LT, stock reference number 4357. The shape runs from the 8th month 2002 through to the 5th month 2006. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which is faded but has no dents. Radiator grille, suit LTs. Front bumper bar has a few scratches and scuffs, but still usable. Left-hand headlight, light sun crack. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch 5-spoke alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors have 2 small dents each. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Both right hand doors have 1 small dent each. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Right hand seat is a non-airbag type seat. Grey vinyl centre console. Automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke grey steering wheel in vinyl with cruise control. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.